when I'm making my channel, guys. Look, if you want the church OG give this OG. Look, who is this? Who? They they copy my channel. Look, copy my channel, guys. Oh, OG give Igawa Igwi. I don't know what. Who is this? They copy my channel. If you want to ban him, ban, because I don't want to someone copy my channel, guys. Look, who is this, bro? Bros OG gift. I don't know them. Look, OG gift. I don't know him. And this all I don't know him. By the way, my channel is not in here now because I don't know where it go. By the way, guys, and I want to ban him because I don't want someone copy my channel, guys. No, this is my channel. OG give this. OG give 2826. That is my channel, guys. Look it now. I'm gonna change that OG give 2826 to OG give blocks. Okay, I need 14 days to.
I'm gonna show you guys a glitch.
If you want to ban them, guys, you go to ban him. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go subscribe. And bye, guys.